We often use the term ratio and proportion in our day-to-day lives. We use it in cooking, we use it to compare the height and age of a person, and much more. But what does it actually mean when we say two quantities are in proportion or to divide a quantity in a particular ratio? We'll be finding the answers to these questions in this video.
Meet Anne. She makes delicious and refreshing lemonades for her family. She thought, why not set up a lemonade stand where I can make some pocket money? But there's a problem. She just knows that for 4 glasses of lemonade, she requires 3 lemons. What will she do if she has to make 5 glasses of lemonade? How many lemons does she require? How can she find the number of lemons required for different number of glasses of lemonades? This is where the concept of ratio comes to her rescue. Ratio is a mathematical tool used for the comparison of 2 or more quantities. In this example, if we represent the number of glasses of lemonades as G and the number of lemons as L, then the ratio of the number of glasses to the number of lemons is represented as G to L, or as a fraction G by L. In the first case, 4 glasses of lemonade require 3 lemons. Therefore, the ratio is equal to 4 to 3 or 4 by 3. Here the ratio compares the number of lemonade glasses to the number of lemons required to make them. We know what are equivalent fractions. In fact, 4 by 3, 12 by 9, 20 by 15 and 40 by 30 are equivalent fractions. This means same number has been multiplied to the numerator and denominator of the fraction 4 by 3. But when we consider 4 by 3 as a ratio, 4 by 3, 12 by 9, 20 by 15, 40 by 30, they are said to be equivalent ratios or equal ratios. Or such an equation which equates two ratios is called proportion. We can use the concept of proportion to solve Anne's problem. We need to find the number of lemons required to make 5 glasses of lemonade without compromising its original taste. That means the relation between the number of glasses and the number of lemons must be preserved. Or mathematically, it means the ratios of the number of glasses to the number of lemons in both the cases are equal. Let us represent the number of lemons required to make 5 glasses of lemonade as X. In the first case, the ratio is 4 to 3 or 4 by 3. Ratio of glasses to lemons in the second case will be 5 to X or 5 by X. The ratios are equal, so 4 by 3 is equal to 5 by X. Cross multiplying, we get 4X is equal to 5 times 3. Again simplifying, we get X is equal to 5 times 3 divided by 4, which is 3.75. This means we need 3 lemons and 3/4 of a lemon to make 5 glasses of Anne's delicious lemonade. Proportion will help her find the number of lemons required to make any number of glasses of lemonade. Next, in this video, we'll see what does it mean to divide a quantity in a particular ratio. Imagine you have a 10-meter rope and you wish to divide it in the ratio 7 to 3. What does this mean? It means I have to divide the rope into 2 unequal parts such that the ratio of the lengths of these 2 parts is 7 to 3. How do we do it? First, divide the rope into 7 plus 3 parts, which is 10 parts, and then length of the first portion will be the length of the first 7 parts, which is 7 meter, and length of the second portion will be the length of the remaining parts, which is 3 meters. Hence, the ratio of these 2 portions is 7 to 3. This was easy since the length was 10 meters. What if the length was 20 meters? How will you find the length of each part. For this, we'll need to use the concept of proportion. The ratio of the parts is equal to 7 to 3. That means the length of the parts when the rope is 20 meters long is obtained by multiplying the same factor to the numerator and denominator of 7 by 3, and this number is unknown to us. We are going to represent this number as x. Then the measures of the parts will be 7x and 3x meters respectively. We know these parts add up to give us the length of the rope, which is 20 meters. So 7x plus 3x is equal to 20. Simplifying, we'll get 10x is equal to 20. And from this, we obtain x is equal to 2. Substitute the value of x to get the measures of each part. 14 meters and 6 meters are the measures of the parts which divide the rope of 20 meters in the ratio 7 to 3. Using this technique, we can find the measure of the parts of any quantity which has been divided in a particular ratio.
Hope you all understood the discussed topics. Try these questions to check your progress. Thank you for watching.